Hey, I'm Tim. I'm the owner of Divergent Elite Detailing and AskDivergent.com. Recently, we had a question submitted to AskDivergent.com that really was pertaining to entrance and ceramic coating. So the question was, if I have my vehicle ceramic coated and let's say I'm involved in an accident, will my insurance cover the reapplication of the ceramic coating? So what you see here is a 2023 Corvette Stingray that we did a light polish on and a 5-year ceramic. Shortly after this application, the owner was involved in an accident and they had to have the rear quarter panel replaced. So here's the process that the insurance company is going to ask for. So number one, they're going to want you to provide the original invoice to where you had it applied for the first time. So the client, we provided them, since we did the job, we provided them with the paperwork that he needed to show, number one, that it had been done. The second piece that they wanted was, what is it going to cost to have it reapplied? So we did an estimate on that. So he took the two documents, submitted it to his insurance company, and the insurance did, in fact, pay for it. So we've seen that a number of times in our shop. So to answer the question, will my insurance pay for it? That's going to be a great insurance question, so ask them. But what we've seen in our shop, for each one that we have had come in, their insurance companies did in fact reimburse them for that. So maybe it's a good call to your insurance company. If you're a client of ours, then we can provide you with that documentation. If not, reach out to your detailer and have them provide that for you so that you can turn that in on your insurance. But file those documents. If not, give your guys a call and they'll provide that for you. Hope that helps. If you have a question that you'd like us to address, go to AskDivergent.com and submit the question there, or just give us a call, 678-310-3153. Ask how, ask now, AskDivergent.com.